Greeting, Smart Bone here. We're going to be looking at how we can rename our bookmark folder right here in Google Chrome. If you're not signing, you have to sign in and then all of these will show up. So right here, I want to rename this folder right here. So you're going to right click, like this, is chat down box come up, you notice right here rename. Right, I notice it right there. So what we can say human research right here folder. Right, and then we can click here. And it I notice right up here, I show you the human photo. So I can always right click it right here and also the same thing. So if you want to open everything one time in it, right, you come right here and you click all and everything actually open definitely inside of it. You notice you can delete the page, you can copy, you can add another page just the same here and all of that. So remember to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.